Today we are fishing this neighborhoodly pond with Gunner. I'm throwing this 6th Sense Panorama 3.5 inch bait. Did the action on it with a jig head.
Yo.
Huge monster.
What?
Monster fish.
Oh my gosh, it's a 3-pounder.
Later did a pond swap to this private pond.
First catch, Gunner caught a fish. Jeez. Nice little bass. I mean, it's not that little, so it's nice. Let's get it off. Caught this mini bass. Just release it. Whew. Just caught this bass. It's not that bad.
Then I caught this smallmouth bass. It was 2.5 pounds, and that's it to finish off the day.